I chose to use Google Sites for my general circulation of the atmosphere presentation. My first page is atmospheric circulation. So sorry, it's taking a while to load. So the global circulation can be described as the worldwide system of how the winds are transported and the heat that comes from the tropical to the polar latitudes. And in each hemisphere, it shows on this picture that there are 3 cells, the Hadley, the Ferrel, and the polar cell. And this is where the air circulates through the entire depth of the troposphere. Direction of wind is next. Excuse me. Here I have 2 pictures just to kind of describe and show visually. The wind is caused by the air that's flowing from the high pressure temperatures to the low pressure temperatures, and the direction of the wind is influenced by the rotation of the Earth. That plays a really big part in that. Coriolis effect is my next page, and I'm going to try to scroll this a little bit. Here we go. So the effect of this is a massive moving air and rotation system that experiences a force, which is the Coriolis force. It acts in a perpendicular motion and goes off the axis of rotation. On Earth, the effect of that tends to deflect the moving objects to the right in the northern hemisphere, and then in the southern hemisphere, it reflects them to the left. And it's the important formation of the cyclonic weather conditions. Air rising is my next page. Here I have a picture that our professor used in her lecture video. I really liked it, and I thought it was really easy to understand. In the image, it shows that the air is rising and descending during the day and at night. So that was cool that it showed both things. During the day, the warm air is rising from the land, while the cool air is descending over the ocean, and that sea breeze is blowing towards land from the ocean. At night, the cool air is descending over the land, while the land breeze flows from the land to the ocean, sending that warm air up above the ocean. And my last slide is the impact. I really liked this picture because it talks about the climate change in the different regions, and this was able to show at what latitudes what the climate would look like. So for the high and low pressure zones, they're related to the atmospheric circulation cells, and they're important in determining what the region's climate is going to be. It affects the certain climates because the prevailing winds influence the climate by bringing all that weather from an upwind area, so it's pulling all of that air. And it shows the 90-degree latitude, 60-degree, 30-degree, and 0-degree latitude with the pictures, and then over on the left side it shows the wind direction and the type of climate that it would have.